Girls, get in here.
Get in. Get in.
Right now, an extended snow goose pack would be nice.
Yeah.
You see them? They're getting closer. They're a little.
You see them? Get ready. Take them!
One alive out there. One alive. Then go out there. You got a shell?
You see them now? Take them!
Take them. AJ, you on that corn wall? Oh. Yeah. That's all we got? Wow. Go, stay in for a second, go. Stay in.
Watch that,
Watch that one above the beans.
that's
Get
done.
loaded.
I got one.
Oh, load up.
In front of that grove.
Yeah, there's a group really far, but don't worry about it.
Not having to work them over so far. Power line is this.
Coming in.
Oh, there they are. Oh, you ready? Hey, look straight up the roll. They're gonna come right over our head. They're right behind you. Watch where you're shooting. What the?
I'm going to blame that on Dad and Isaac.
They're turning around.
I thought one of my gun jammed on me. How many do you find?
3.
Yeah. Are those turning around?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the bigger here.
Oh, here comes 3.
Hey, everybody
Comes
stay
3.
still.
Stay still.
You ready?
Now the whole big group's turn. Just don't move. The whole group turn.
Are we holding?
Yeah, we're holding. Hold it. Hold. Hold. The front group's coming.
What's behind us?
Hold. Hold.
What?
Hold.
Here comes big flop on him right now. Right.
Wait.
Watch the camera.
Gosh.
Oh, they're coming back.
Oh, don't. You gotta
That
stay in
guy's
the
still
short.
hunting. Get down.
We gotta take them, Tom.
Yeah, this way.
Get ready.
This way.
Yeah.
Second group.
They're coming back.
Yep, get down.
They're looping down here. Watch down the roll.
Here they come.
This could be it. Just watch. Get ready.
They're coming in, coming in.
I know one. Hey, to the right, they're coming back. Elle, get ready right here. Got him, Dallas? Get right here. This is it. Watch where you shoot.
Take those.
Let's go, we gotta get them.
Get him.
We gotta get these. They're gonna be alive.
Hey, come on. Let's get them, though. Scott, call, coming back, call, call, call.
Go. Go in, Bennett. 2 rows. Go. Run. Straight at it. Keep going. Keep going. Straight at it. Left.
Oh, there's one there. Where'd he come from?
Left, Bennett. Left.
I know.
That one must have regathered himself from that.
Go get him. He's got to be right in there. Get in there. There's another one. Where did that come
Yeah, you're right about that.
Yeah, that loader just, must be one that we hit.
Yeah, he must have been back here in the beans or something.
Was he landing on the road there?
Yeah, with the ditch.
He's right in there. Oh. Actually, cackle, maybe throw him a couple calls. He's looking for something. Hey, wait.
Run.
Another goose.
Oh. That might have been
Way to go, Bennett.
Huh?
Way to go.
Oh, here's Goose.
2020 opening day, goose season, western Minnesota. Out here, it's been a good hunt this morning. Got some footage coming up, and I don't know, it was good. We've got the kids out here.
Starting to jam and get one shot and that's it. Or you just take out that other brand new one in the box. Oh, I forgot about
Oh, there's geese over there.
Looks like we've got some coming in, so we'll come back. We'll do a final count. It's been a pretty good day. Out doing our push through the beans, looking for cripples. There's one.
Already worth it.
I will too. Is that his tongue?
Yeah, put that one down. That one's not a good one.
Okay, let's go back this way.
Put it in the backseat of the truck.
Like here. There. Grab those two and back him up there. Here. Right there. Put him like right there.
I kind of tuned it.
Okay, now you grandkids. Whoops, here. Take my
back over there.
Take my camera.
I'll take it with my bloody things. I'm bored, Dad.
What are we doing, Isaac?
We are enjoying the fire after a successful day of hunting.
How many goose we get today?
All right,
We had 26.
don't burn it up.
26 geese. Oh, yep, they're coming right in. Great. Yeah, get ready. Go, go, go!
Nice.
Get him! They all stand out there watching for a while. AJ,
Yeah.
you film that?
Yep.
Both directions.
There they are. Coming straight at us. Coming straight in.
Loner.
No, there's 4 of them coming straight in.
No, wait for the group. There's 6 of them coming.
Coming straight in.
Got him. Get down. Get ready. Sit on your seat.
Get down. You're in the open again. Girl, get down for it. Get ready. Get ready, Ben. Ben, get down. Right above us. We're taking them on the way through. Yep. You ready? Stay down.
Right there.
Take them.
Right there. Oh. Right there.
Take those. We gotta get those. That's too many. Go.
Here they come. Get ready.
Now.
I'm out of shells. Anybody got one to shoot this guy?
Here.
Oh, we got a bunch of live ones.
Here.
Oh my.
Morning goose hunt, western Minnesota. Piles of geese. Piles and piles. What a great day. Got a couple more hunts to go and we'll be heading back home. Morning hunt done. Packing up. Pile of geese. 32 this morning. Awesome hunt. We'll be back this evening. Are we gonna do it?
Go! Pick up! We're gonna go!
Second evening, pretty windy out today. Got a few on the ground. Kids are having fun. Got one more morning hunt and then we're heading back home, but it's been an awesome opener. 2020 Western Minnesota. They're coming around.
Oh, the wind.
Come on.
Nope, they're gone.
Hey, you having a good time?
Yes.
What's been your favorite thing about this goose
Just spending
season?
time with everyone and just we've had a really good season.
Yeah, it's been the best we've had in years.
It's been the best year I've had out here.
How many years have you been coming out here, Al?
3. This is my 3rd.
And the best.
Yes, by far. Last year we only got 9.
Yeah, that was a
And
tough
we're
one.
about over, what would you say? What would you say right now?
Well, probably 60. And actually, is that one turned?
That's Tom.
No. Yep, we got one more morning, and then we're heading back home.
Yeah.
Can I grab one?
Yep, there's more in there.
Okay.
Go ahead and grab them. Toss them up, girls.
I've got 2. Sometimes
Oh, there's one.
Henry, do you need help? Sometimes I don't want to. Ow! Oh.
Anyone count?
Yeah, look at me. Oh, yeah.
Just packing up. Getting ready to head back for the night. Get some dinner and come back out in the morning. Good time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? What do you think of it, Bennett?
We got.
Finished up our, what, second day of hunting?
Yep.
Got a dozen birds. What do you think, Tom?
Baker's dozen.
Yeah.
Here?
Good hunt, super windy.
morning we got
We'll be out
22.
tomorrow morning. That'll be our last hunt, at least for Ellie and myself. We'll be heading back, but
Pushing 60, 70 birds, 70.
yeah, probably around 70 birds this weekend. So great weekend. Stay tuned for tomorrow morning, last hunt.
Be a bang.
Let's just hang on the cord to go a little bit. This does not want to go here. Take this and stay right at the edge.
Last morning, Al. What do you think? Nice sunset, sunrise. See if we can't get anything going on today. Last morning. Shoot them up.
Right above them. Right above them. Yeah.
No. Yep. Oh, get down.
with them.
Yeah,
They did, okay.
Yeah, I think. Jumped in.
Yeah, with that group.
We're top there now?
Yeah, they just were so high.
Yeah, there.
Yeah,
Hey, is that another loader coming, or 3 of them there?
There's 3 of them.
Oh. Get ready.
Stay down, don't move. Don't move. Nobody move.
Right over. Oh, they're coming. Oh, get ready, Al. Alrighty, we're done here. Last hunt. Just packing up, getting ready to go home. We had not a whole lot going on today. 1 flock came over. That was about it. Everyone have a good time?
Yeah. Even if we didn't get any.
Yeah.
Yep, good time. So Ellie and I were packing up, heading home. We will see you later.